database administrator. What do database administrators do? Database administrators design and maintain systems that store and safeguard a wide range of data, including financial data and shipping records for consumers. They also ensure that only authorized individuals have access to the data. Duties: database administrators typically do the following tasks: identify user requirements for database creation and administration, create and maintain new databases, ensure the safety of the organization's data, prevent data loss by backing up and restoring data, ensure that databases are error-free and run smoothly. As needed, make and test database schema changes. DBAs, database administrators, ensure that data analysts and other database users have quick access to the information they need. They also monitor database operations and provide support to ensure that systems work smoothly. Personal, private, or financial information can be found in many databases. Database administrators are usually responsible for putting security measures to safeguard this sensitive data. Database architects create new databases for systems and applications. Before designing database models, they analyze an organization's technology requirements throughout the design phase. Finally, they design a new data architecture while integrating existing databases and infrastructure and identifying inefficiencies or flaws. Database administrators and database architects may have overlapping responsibilities. Administrators and architects, for example, are generalists with experience in both systems and applications. Some DBA, on the other hand, specialize in specific activities, such as maintenance, which vary depending on the business and its needs. The following are two popular specialties. System DBA oversee a database's physical and technical components, such as updating and patching it to fix flaws. They make sure the company's database management systems are functioning correctly. Application DBA do all the functions of a traditional DBA, but only for a single application or set of applications, such as customer service software. They must be able to write, debug, and manage database-related applications in addition to writing and debugging programs. Work environment. Over 168,000 database administrators were employed in 2020. The following companies employed the most database administrators. Computer systems design and related services companies employed 13%. Educational services, state, local, and private employed 6%. Management of companies and enterprises employed 6%. Insurance carriers and related activities employed 6%. And data processing, hosting, and related services employed 3%. Database administrators work in almost every business. They might build databases in retail to track customers' shipping information, and they might administer databases in healthcare to keep patients' medical records safe. Work schedules. Most database administrators work full-time. How to become a database administrator. Database administrators frequently need a bachelor's degree in computer and information technology or a similar field. Education. Database administrators usually need a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related discipline, such as engineering. However, some DBA major in business. Employers may prefer to hire persons who have completed computer science, information systems, or information technology and have a master's degree in data or database management. For example, SQL is a database language that every database administrator should be familiar with, structured query language. DBA will need to be familiar with their company's programming language. Licenses, certifications, and registrations. Software vendors and vendor-neutral certification providers are the most prominent certification sources. Database administrators may be required to be certified in the products they use by their employers. Advancement. Database administrators may advance to positions such as computer and information systems managers. Database architects may be promoted from database administrators as their experience grows. Important qualities. Analytical skills. DBA monitor the performance of a database system to determine when it's time to act. Before settling on a strategy, they must evaluate data from various sources. Communication skills. Most database administrators work as part of a team and must effectively communicate information to other personnel, including developers, managers, and other database administrators. Pay close attention to the tiniest of details. Working with databases needs a detailed understanding of complex systems, where even minor mistakes can cause significant problems. Problem-solving skills. Database problems must be troubleshot and corrected as they arise. Pay. Database administrators made a median yearly salary of $98,860 in May 2020. Half of the workers earned more than that in any occupation, while the other half earned less. The bottom 10% of earners received less than $54,070 per year, while the top 10% received more than $155,660. In May 2020, the following were the median yearly salaries for database administrators in the top industries. Data processing, hosting, and related services paid $108,520. Computer systems design and related services paid $106,260. Insurance carriers and related activities paid $105,570. Management of companies and enterprises paid $103,550. And educational services, state, local, and private paid $78,890. Job outlook. Between 2020 and 2030, database administrators are expected to expand at an annual rate of 8%, which is approximately average for all occupations. On average, 13,900 database administrator job vacancies are expected over the next 10 years. Many of these positions will be needed to replace workers who change jobs or leave the workforce for other reasons, such as retirement. Employment. Businesses will require more data in practically every economic sector, resulting in increased employment. Database administrators will be needed to manage data and deliver user-friendly information to stakeholders. With the growing popularity of database as a service, which allows third parties to maintain databases online, cloud computing firms that provide data processing, hosting, and associated services are projected to hire more of these specialists. Database administrators will be in high demand in the computer systems design and related services industry. Demand for database administrators is likely to rise as small and medium-sized organizations without specialized information technology departments utilize cloud services.